What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I thought that I would take you guys along with me so you can kind of see a real day in the life of an interior decorator. All right, so a true day in the life. So let me tell y'all, first of all, let me fix my camera. No. So anyway, let me just start by saying that this life is not glamorous. It is very much so hard work, and most of the time I look like this all day. Nothing fancy, because really it's like work mode. But today I have to go to Lowe's and pick up some supplies for a project we have coming up on Saturday. We're just going to be updating somebody's kitchen island, and then tonight, this evening, I have a client, and I put client in air quotes because it's actually my grandmother, but she has a house that is pretty much gutted in the back, and we are going over to take a look to see what we can do, if we can help her with that. What else do I have going on today? I also have to order some more furniture for another project, or y'all already saw it last week. I did a how to plan a project video, and I was showing y'all my dad's guest room. So I thought I could be done in a week, which I could with the install, but the issue is the delivery of the furniture. So I have to order some more things today, and then hopefully y'all will see that video next week of the actual install. I was hoping to get it done in a week, but the furniture delivery is just not allowing that to happen. So yeah, so this is me. This is how we're starting. I'm about to drop my son off to work, and then we're gonna go to Lowe's, and then we're gonna order some furniture, and then we're gonna go meet a client. And y'all can see like what my day is really like. So if y'all have any questions about how I started this career, or want to know like some classes and stuff that I took, then just let me know. Leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them for you. All right, so I made it to Lowe's. I'm about to eat my breakfast real quick, but I was thinking, some of you might be kind of unsure about, or may have questions about interior designer versus interior decorator or whatever. So I just thought I would just clarify real quick. So simplest thing, an interior designer has architectural background or has done some architectural studies. That's the only difference. Interior decorator is more of styling and all of that, but you're not certified, like you haven't done the architectural side of it. So that's why I always call myself an interior decorator. Even though my husband, he's been in maintenance for many years, and we do know a lot about construction and different things like that, but I did not technically go to school for that part. So I am considered a certified interior decorator, which I did take a class for and got a certification for. But to be honest, it is really just talent. It is just natural talent. Like if you have a talent to visualize stuff and put things together, then you can decorate. You do not need a certification to decorate. I just did that because for myself, I wanted to get as much knowledge as I could. Thought the class would offer me a little bit more than what I knew. It did, on as far as the history of design, I guess. But other than that, I don't feel like it's necessary. that's what I mean by it's not pretty. Them things actually heavy. So this is a simple way for y'all to update your kitchen island if you want to, because y'all know most kitchen islands only come with sheetrock. So we're going to be putting this bead board on it and then trimming it up. It's gonna look really nice. So let me get the rest of this stuff, y'all, because I'm out of breath. I can't hold this camera and do both. And in addition to maintaining a business, I still have to maintain my home. So cleaning up is still a part of my daily routine. Y'all, it is lunchtime now, so I'm just making me something real quick. I just had these little frozen shrimp in the freezer, so I'm just making some shrimp and grits. Nothing fancy, not even fresh shrimp, but we gonna make it do what it do. Ooh, look at that, y'all. I'm a chef in these streets. All right, y'all, so I am finally done cleaning. Got all the clothes done. Oh, this is for a special celebration for myself I have coming up. Y'all will see that real quick. So that just has to stay over there for now. But yeah, done cleaning. So now I have to get to finishing up some work for the guest bedroom that I'm doing for my dad. All right, y'all, so now I am at my desk putting together just like a quick little mood board slash visual of my dad's guest bedroom. So I just want to show y'all how I do it, just in case you might need to see if some items that you're interested in, if they work well together in a space. So this is Canva. I'm sure most of y'all have heard about it. If you haven't, it is kind of like it's an editing app. Not app, I'm sorry. It's an editing website, but they do have an app. And on here, they have a free version, but I do pay for Canva Pro because I use it a lot within the business. So some of these features, I don't know if this feature I'm going to show you comes with the free version or not, but I'm still going to show you. So these are just some items that I picked out for the room. So just the nightstand, the lamp, a tree that I'm going to put there, and then a rug. And then I also picked out this bench here. So the first thing that I did, let me say that. The first thing that I did was went to Google or wherever I found these items at, which some of them came from Amazon, and just saved a picture of it on my computer. Then when you open up Canva, here you just upload your photos, and then all of your photos will come here, whatever you want, whatever photos you want uploaded. So I uploaded the pictures of the furniture that I chose. And then what you do is you put it over here, just click. So we're going to click the bench. And so now you see the bench is there, but it has that white background on it, so you can't see everything else. So with Canva, you can, okay, the bench is chosen. You can click edit image. We're going to remove the background. And now the background has been removed. So now we can kind of edit this and see how it looks and make sure we like the look of it with the other things that are in the room. And I do. So I just want to show y'all that. So that's just an idea of what you can do if you need kind of a visual of the space that you are trying to decorate. So it's a few hours later. It is almost 5 o'clock now, and I'm trying to hurry up and cook dinner because I have to meet my grandmother at her house, or at her property that she owns, tonight. So I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. I literally just turned on the oven, so it's not hot yet, but I am making some honey salmon, some wild rice, and some broccoli. So I'm gonna make that real quick. Hopefully this should be done. Actually, it won't be done before I go. So I'm actually going to start it and just set a timer and let my son know when to take it out of the oven. So y'all, this is, like I said, a real day in the life. Like, nothing is perfect. I'm running all day. I'm still trying to take care of my family, feed my family while doing business stuff. You know, it's a lot. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to finish cooking or finish prepping the food and getting it on the stove so we can get out of here. We're really trying to, it's 4:49. We're trying to leave by like 10 after 5. So I gotta hurry up. All right, y'all, so it is 5:15, time to go. I got the rice is almost done, broccoli is done, and salmon, we're probably gonna need about 10 more minutes. So my son gonna have to take it out of the oven. Tonio is here and we gotta run. So really what's happening is we're rushing against the sun. Like I said, because my grandmother's house is it's like a gutted type of, there I go. It's gutted, so there's no electricity or anything. So we're trying to rush before the sun goes down because we need to be able to see in there. And y'all know right now it's daylight savings or whatever, so sun going down early. So yeah, we finna get there. I got my bag, got my pen. Okay, so we're gonna get there. I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, so a real day in the life. We were headed. Hey Christian. We were headed there, and then my grandma was like, the key is not working to the house, so she can't get in. She gotta find the key from whoever. And yeah, so that's how I go sometimes. Sometimes you be headed for appointments and then they don't work out, and now we're just right back at the house.